Good evening, good evening. God bless you, God bless you. Welcome to Spilling the Tea at 10 on Word at Night. You know, we do things a little different on Friday because we've been talking about joy all week. On Friday, we do something different. We either read a passage of a book, scripts from either a play or a movie, lyrics from a song, or information about books or whatever the case may be that actually talks about the word that we actually were talking about all week, so we can see a different perspective on how that word was used from biblical days to today. Okay, today we're going to talk about the movie called The Joy Luck Club. The Joy Luck Club. And this film was based on the 1989 novel of the same name by Amy Tan, who co-wrote the screenplay with Ronald Bass. Okay, the film was produced by Bass, Tan, Wang, and Patrick Markey, while Oliver Stone served as an executive producer. Okay, now what is this movie about? I love this movie. But this movie is about four older women, all Chinese immigrants. They're immigrants, Chinese immigrants, living in San Francisco. And they meet regularly to play, I want to say, mahjong. They eat and tell stories. Each of these women has an adult Chinese American daughter. The film reveals the hidden past of the older women and their daughters, and how their lives are shaped by the clash of Chinese and American cultures as they strive to understand their family bonds and one another. Really, really good. It is called The Joy Luck Club, and it is a great movie. And the reason why I really like it is because you learn more about the culture, but then you really learn more that it actually equates in all cultures, and how every culture has its own customs. It has what it thinks about American ways versus how they were brought up, old days versus the new days, you know, and how things have changed. So any culture can get placed in there and it would come out the same way. But it's a really good movie, and I just hope that all cultures get to experience a film like this, and that they actually can put their own spin on it, because it's only going to be a little different. It's not going to be changed a whole lot. So it's a good movie. Roy, do what you do. He always gives us either scriptures or gives us a little funny, sometimes a movie, video, but whatever he's doing, it always pertains to what we've talked about during the week, especially when he gives us scriptures, so that if someone comes to you and I just read that scripture. What's that scripture? Man, you can hit Facebook, come right here to this page, and it's right there in the comments field. And you have that scripture right there. I appreciate you, Roy. Thank you so much for all that you do. Because you don't write just a little either. You write what we need. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. So I love you so very much. Listen, that is all we're going to be talking about tonight. You guys enjoy your weekend, okay? Because this being the 1st of July, do you see how quick this time is going? Even though the days seem to be lagging, the days are flying. So I love you so very much. I hope you have a great weekend. Please, 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 if you are not going to church on Sunday physically in the building, meet us here, 9 o'clock. We'll see you, and we'll have church together. I love you. Have a great weekend. God bless you.